maintain an altitude of 15,000 feet. Flight 807, maintain your approach. Flight 807, you're clear for landing, runway 7, Bravo.
Flight 019, 2 mile northeast, turn left at 90, maintain 4,800 to establish an approach. Flight 022, approach 14325. Flight 022, maintain approach, you're clear for runway 27. Flight 022, turn right at 180 and maintain at 3000. Flight 118, turn right at 250, maintain 5,200 to establish an approach.
Flight 022, approach 14325.
Flight 229, you're clear for departure. Flight 229, you're clear for takeoff. Flight 259, have a safe departure, good day. Flight 527, I have your release. Flight 527, maintain 4,000, runway 8 kilo, position and hold. Flight 527, runway 8 kilo, you are cleared for takeoff. 707 Andrews Tower, you are cleared runway 27, wind 035 at 7, SH2 approaching from the left. Flight 807, maintain an altitude of 15,000 feet. Flight 807, maintain your approach. Flight 807, you're clear for landing, runway 7 Bravo.
Flight 022, maintain approach, you're clear for runway 27. Flight 022, turn right at 180 and maintain at 3000. Flight 118, turn right at 250, maintain 5,200 to establish an approach. Flight 229er, you're clear for departure. Flight 229er, you're clear for departure. Flight 259er, have a safe departure, good day. Flight 527, I have your release. Flight 019er, 2 miles northeast, turn left at 90, maintain at 4,800 to establish an approach. Flight 527, maintain 4,000, runway 8 kilo, position and hold. Flight 527, runway 8 kilo,